The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello to my wonderful crafty creators, y'all. I'm just giving y'all a peek at what I'm doing, why I'm staying away until the beginning of the new year. It's because I'm doing these trays and I've got to get a lot of them done. So yeah, I've got the jar, the herb grinder. This is the top of the jar. This is the top of the herb grinder. This is for a lighter. This is a rainbow tray. And I took the liberty of putting the name inside the tray. I used the Cricut to do that with. I use Bombay inks to get these colors. I also added a little bit of black diamond mica powder because you can actually see through this a little bit, but you know, I just added a little mica powder to get the color that I was going for. So yes, I have a little bit of glitter in here. Okay, so this is gonna be like my little top coat that I'm gonna do. I don't need very much for this, but I do want it to be nice and thick. And I'm just gonna rub this in. Okay, and this I'm using Naked Fusion resin, and with the Naked Fusion, I'm still learning the Naked Fusion, so of course I had a little bit of pinholes, but this top coat here will take care of it because the underside was really nice. But I knew that, you know, I wasn't really worried about what this part was going to look like because I was going to need to do a top coat anyway. So, yeah, this is what I'm working on. I miss y'all already. I was just with y'all Friday. But I miss y'all already. I think this is just enough of glitter in here. It's not too much glitter. It's not overpowering or anything. It's just nice. I'll let that sit there for a moment. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some glitter here in this top coat. I mean the top of the jar. Gonna get that nice and neat. I know this is a quick video, y'all, and I'm not worried about linking everything right now. That's why I told you what I was using. Simply because this is just to see what I'm doing, you know, while I'm away. So yeah, that's what's going on, friends. I really didn't think it was too appropriate for me to show you exactly what I was making. I didn't want to be discriminated against, you know how that is. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. And y'all, I'm gonna wrap it up, but I just wanted to show you just a little peek at, you know, what I was doing, because you know, it's kind of cool. I don't know whether I've done a complete tray set like this with y'all. I haven't. I know I haven't because I wouldn't have showed y'all that anyway. But let me take you down. Take you down for a minute. Let you see a little bit better. I hadn't used my heat yet, but just showing you what we got here. Okay, gotta do this stuff here too, but you know, this is what it looks like. So I will see y'all later, okay? Because I got to get back to making some more trays. It's a lot of them I got to make, so that's what it is. All right. Y'all remember to say something kind to someone, okay? Be positive in whatever you do, because being positive counts a whole lot. I think that's just enough glitter in this tray, y'all. I really do. That's cute. Let me get my heat gun and make it go out a little more. But I will see you all the next time. Bye. Okay, y'all, I forgot to show you one more thing. This is the flower vase that we was making, well, that I started, and then we was making in the live. So there's my daddy ashes. So all it needs now is just a little flower. Yeah, it's a flower. It's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. I really like it. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. But I put this down because I just, you know, grabbed it so I could let you all see my daddy's ashes there. Looks nice, huh? Very different. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.